This is going to be the Bitcoin calm before the storm. A huge move is loading. Bitcoin is right now consolidating inside of this weekend. But after this weekend, a massive breakout is going to be inevitable. A lot of liquidity is right now piling up on both directions, indicating that a massive move is around the corner. So we are going to need to be talking about that exactly. And much more in today's updated video. We need to be talking about the altcoin season, because this chart is exactly indicating that altcoin season is starting right now. So guys, can we once again push up the likes back above the 300 likes? That will be absolutely amazing. And as always, let's have a look into our short term. And yeah, during the course of the weekend, Bitcoin is just exactly consolidating at around that semi-close price, which in this case is sitting at the 94.3k level. Consolidation at around this level was going to be very likely, and this is exactly what we are seeing right now. And I do expect that at the end of this weekend, we are going to be returning towards the CME close price. Now, volatility is always going to be lower during the course of the weekend, which we are exactly seeing right now. We are perfectly consolidating inside of this new ascending triangle. We are creating this level of resistance over here. 3 touch points already, this level of support over here, turning in towards resistance, 2 times over here. And at the same time, at the opposite side, having this level of support, already having 3 touch points right now. The first touch point, second touch point, and right now the third touch point over here. Let's see if we can be seeing this bounce from off this level. If we are going to be seeing this bounce, I definitely do think that a bullish breakout is going to be inevitable by next week. Now, at the opposite side as well, I've also been saying if we're going to be losing this support, if we're going to be falling down below, then I definitely do think that this level of support is going to be getting reached next. Then I'm going to be having a look in towards this area of interest, that 90k towards the 92.5k level. If we are going to be falling down below this support, I'm going to be having a look in towards this area next. Now let's see whether Bitcoin is still going to be holding above this support or not, because definitely a huge move is going to be loading. A lot of liquidity is right now piling up, both on that top side, so both on this upside level of resistance over here, but also on the downside, also sitting below that previous low over here. We are also having a lot of liquidity, so exactly at this area level of interest. Now Bitcoin is right now starting to create some kind of a double bottom pattern. At the same time, maybe you can be having a look into this triple bottom pattern as well, exactly repeating from history. But yeah, I like this double bottom pattern a lot more. If we're going to be seeing this move back towards the upside, back towards this neckline over here, let's see if we can be seeing this bullish breakout, and then definitely I think we're going to be pushing towards new highs. But first, of course, do keep in mind we are going to need to be confirming this short-term bottom over here. We need to be seeing some more confirmations in order for this Bitcoin bottom to be in. Now anyways, still zooming out, the Bitcoin charts are still looking very good. Bitcoin is still just consolidating over here in this megaphone pattern. As long as Bitcoin is still going to be holding above support, we are still looking very good. We are still looking very fine. The Bitcoin trend is still towards the upside. We are getting a lot of momentum towards the upside. And as long as Bitcoin is still going to be holding above this uptrend, I still do think that we are going to be very likely to be seeing another lag towards the upside. On top of that, the Bitcoin funding rates are trading very low. This is making me feel extremely bullish. Majority of the Bitcoin market is right now literally trading short. And whenever majority of the Bitcoin market is trading short, liquidity will be created on the top side and more short squeezes are going to be inevitable. Another push towards the upside is going to be more likely. As long as the Bitcoin funding rates are going to be trading this low, we will still remain to be looking very bullish. So yeah, looking very good. A huge move is going to be around the corner. Trump is about to be entering office again in less than 3 weeks. This is also going to be having a massive bullish effect on the Bitcoin market and on the financial markets in general. Also, the stock market is going to be moving up like crazy whenever Trump is going to be entering office. And there is still a huge correlation within the Bitcoin market and the stock market. So if the stock market is going to be moving up, well, Bitcoin for sure is also going to be moving up like crazy. So yeah, leading up towards this event, I do think that the Bitcoin price is going to be seeing some massive rallies. So yeah, do not get fooled right now. The Bitcoin price is still looking great in my opinion. And even if Bitcoin is going to be falling a little bit more in the short term and is going to be reaching this area of interest over here, I just think it is going to be a massive and major opportunity. This either is going to be a massive major opportunity if we're going to be reaching this level over here, or if we're going to be seeing this break towards the upside outside of this ascending triangle. If we're going to be seeing this break above this level of resistance, this is also going to be a massive opportunity in the market. So anyways, guys, if you are going to be getting interested in trading right now, make sure to be checking out that first link down below, because with that first link down below, you can be claiming an insane 100,000 US dollar deposit bonus, and you can be trading Bitcoin or altcoins starting from today. Make sure to check it out with that first link down below. Check if it's going to be available in your country, Blofin, and if it's not going to be available in your country, make sure to check out Bybit with that second link down below. So yeah, anyways guys, with that being said, altcoin season is really about the corner right now. If we're going to be having a look towards the timing of this cycle, well, the timing is exactly repeating altcoin season. Well, the top is already in for altcoin season. We have seen the Bitcoin dominance exactly topping out 217 days after the Bitcoin halving. The Bitcoin dominance is right now starting to fall towards the downside. Right now, the Bitcoin dominance is creating this lower high over here. And if we are going to be having a look towards this chart, well, the Bitcoin price is seeing a slight little push towards the downside. We are seeing our first dip really after the Bitcoin halving. And that dip is exactly coming about 245 days after the Bitcoin halving. And if we are going to be having a look towards history, well, all of the time during the consolidation, during the first Bitcoin dip, 245 days after the Bitcoin halving, well, the altcoin season, the real parabolic altcoin season, has always been getting started. This has been the moment where the real altcoin season has been getting started, and where the Bitcoin dominance is going to be rolling over and seeing this huge push towards the downside. All of the money will be starting to flow from Bitcoin in towards altcoins, and altcoins will be exploding. Now, the timing of this cycle is just exactly repeating, because also Ethereum always explodes in Q1 after a halving year. We can be having a look towards the historical performance, because always 1 year after a halving year, Ethereum has been exploding towards the upside in Q1. So I've already been saying it many times, Q4 is going to be the most bullish quarter for Bitcoin, but Q1 is going to be the most bullish quarter for Ethereum, and whenever Ethereum is going to be exploding to the upside, all of the altcoins will be following. So it is literally starting right now. Have a look towards Ethereum, have a look towards some altcoins right now. It is about to be starting. So guys, anyways, with that being said, make sure to be following me over on Twitter to stay up to date about every single market development. And guys, I'll see you in another update video tomorrow morning.